Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a situation that can make your heart stop: losing your data. Whether you accidentally deleted files or you formatted a drive you shouldn't have, we have all been there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover those files, specifically using a tool called RecoveryFox AI from WonderFox Soft. Their philosophy is don't just retrieve data, rescue it with AI reliability. They use AI to identify lost data fragments and rebuild them into complete files, which is designed to work across a huge range of scenarios, whether it's an external hard drive, an SD card with lost photos, or a USB flash drive. But before I show you the software, I need to give you some critical advice. If you have just lost data, you need to act fast. First, stop using the affected device immediately. If you continue saving new files or installing software on that drive, you will overwrite the lost data and then it is gone forever. Second, check for physical damage. If your drive is making clicking or grinding noises, disconnect it from power immediately. Software can't fix broken hardware, and running it will only make it worse. But if your drive is working and you just made a mistake, like formatting it, then software is the answer. For today's test, I have a 16GB Pendrive here. This isn't just a storage drive, it was actually set up as a bootable Windows 10 installation drive. I'm going to show you how we can try to get data back from this even after a format. Okay, moving over to the computer, you can see the 16GB drive plugged in right here. It's currently full of Windows boot files. To simulate a real disaster, I'm going to format this drive. I'm right-clicking, selecting Format, and Start. Now, while this wipes, it's important to understand what is happening. When you format a drive like this, you're essentially erasing the file system, the map that tells the computer where files are stored. However, the actual data usually sits on the magnetic or memory sectors until something new is written over it. That is the window of opportunity we have to get it back. And complete. The drive is now totally empty. Now that the damage is done, let's launch RecoveryFox AI. One massive tip before we start: I have installed this software on my computer's internal C drive, not on the USB drive I'm trying to fix. Never install recovery software on the same drive you lost data on, or you might overwrite the files you're trying to save. I'm selecting the USB drive from the menu here. You can see the software supports over 500 file formats and works on HDDs, SSDs, and SD cards. I'm going to hit Scan. Now, while this runs, let's talk about expectations. WonderFox claims a 98% success rate. I want to be clear about this. The company claims a 98% success rate, but in my testing, I found that your success really depends on the condition of the drive. If the data hasn't been overwritten, your chances are very high. If you have been using the drive for weeks after deleting the files, the success rate will obviously drop. That is why it is so important to act fast. The sooner you run this scan, the better. You can see here the software allows you to filter results. You can look by file type, date, or size. This is really useful if you're just trying to find a specific video or document and don't want to sift through thousands of system files. The software is currently doing a deep scan. This means it is reading every single sector of the 16GB drive. It uses that AI technology I mentioned to recognize file headers, basically the digital fingerprint of a file, to figure out what it is, even if the file name is lost. It's already popping up with a list of data. We're seeing a lot of raw files, which is expected since I formatted the file system. Alright, the scan takes quite a long time because it's being very thorough, so I actually stopped it in the middle so we can look at what it found so far. Let's look at the preview. I'm going to the graphics section. It recovered the usual stuff, but look at this. These are PNG and JPEG files that predate the Windows installation. These look like snapshots from the Tor browser. This is actually from my old phone that I backed up to this drive a long time ago. This is impressive because remember, I turned this into a Windows bootable drive, which writes a lot of data, and then I formatted it again today. Yet RecoveryFox AI still managed to dig deep enough to find these old photos from 2 life cycles ago. Once you select what you want, you just hit Recover. Make sure you save these to your computer, not back to the USB drive. Just a final disclaimer, this video is a collaboration with WonderFox Soft. While the tool is powerful for accidental deletions and formatting, Remember that it cannot recover data from a device that is physically corrupted or not recognized by your computer. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to rescue your data. Thanks for watching.